You see the green cargo self-loading, self-propelled manure spreader, the brainchild of the Belgian company Bimod. The machine is equipped with a Scania V8 engine rated at 450 horsepower, but production machines will be converted to a 13.5-liter Deere engine, which can develop 400 to 600 horses. The spreader here is standard Tornado 3 from Joskin. At the same time, it combines the characteristics that form the basis of the machine's concept: durability, ease of use, and maintenance. Spreading widths generally range from 7 to 16 meters, depending on the product being spread. To achieve this result, the vertical shafts rotate at a speed of 423 revolutions per minute and spread the product with their teeth made of HB 400 steel. At their base, there are two blades that act as hammers in addition to spreading. In July 2020, Camp C unveiled Europe's first locally printed two-story house. What makes this house so unique? It is that it is printed using a stationary 3D printer on concrete. The house is 8 meters tall, 90 square meters in area, and printed on a Cobod model BOD 2 3D printer. In addition to the fibers in the concrete, the amount of wire mesh reinforcement used is minimal. The printing technology used made formwork unnecessary, saving about 60% in material, time, and budget. Adding up all the days, it took only 3 weeks to print the house in Camp C. The Tybot rebar binding robot works continuously and regardless of the weather outside. Its functioning is based on machine vision technology, which guides the robot to the required location, and the robot limb binds the rebar qualitatively. The device is brought into working position by a small remote control panel. And by the way, the robot has even set a record. It was able to bind 11,044 bars in just one day, an average of 1,100 pieces per hour of work. You have to agree, such figures are really impressive. It is in the public interest to have a safe network of roads and paths. Nowadays, however, the environment and unspoiled nature are increasingly coming to the fore. Only the right machines, the optimum method, and a measured use of resources can ensure safety here. The best machine for such specific purposes is the LKW Bagger. It is suitable for all types of work, such as ditching and roadside control, highway and median strip clearing, working in narrow areas. From now on, shoulders up to 2 meters wide and up to 10 centimeters below the edge of the road can be milled in one operation. Fences, super rails, and other vehicle restraint systems are no longer an obstacle. Overall, this provides an even more efficient and faster way of working. Beton block concrete blocks are very versatile and have many applications. They are ideal for partition walls, retaining walls, and trench silos, for example, in the waste management industry or in agriculture, but are also great for the construction of sheds and buildings. Concrete blocks are also widely used for safety reasons, such as road closures or flood protection. Beton Block offers specialty concrete block molds, retaining wall molds, concrete slab molds, barrier molds, and tetrapod molds. And with dividers, sold separately, you only need one concrete block mold to produce different types of blocks. All molds are made of high-quality S355 structural steel and powder-coated for durability. The Matterhorn Gothard Bond vehicle is a whole system consisting of a passenger vehicle in coupled mode with a fire railway vehicle and an ambulance wagon. So at both ends of the Furka Tunnel, 16 kilometers long, there will be a group of 2 vehicles and 1 van which are ready to enter the tunnel 24/7 in case of emergency. The vehicles can move in either coupled or single mode, so no locomotive is required. This provides greater flexibility and significant cost savings. Max speed on the track is 50 kilometers per hour, and the superstructure is a special hermetic container, which allows the evacuation of up to 60 people on one trip. There are control posts on both sides of the vehicles, which allow for forward movement in both directions of the tunnel. Fast 2K is the fast and convenient way to complete your fence. One 2.5-pound, 33.8-ounce bag replaces 80 to 100 pounds of concrete. Fast 2K eliminates the mess of mixing and having to lug around heavy bags of traditional concrete. With Fast 2K, there is no mess. No water is required, and it hardens in just minutes. Fast 2K will make your project faster and easier. With this new design, there is no need for a base or saddle to secure the post. Fast 2K becomes waterproof after installation. It expands immediately after mixing and holds the post in 3 to 5 minutes. Many tests have shown that this new product has proven to be as effective as concrete for load-bearing structures. EnviroBinder is a unique erosion control product that works well in long-term applications and provides immediate surface protection results. It penetrates and binds to soil particles to form a strong interlocking structure. Once the polymer dries, a strong weather-resistant surface is formed, binding the surface and preventing erosion. Incidentally, the effective life of erosion control is usually 6 months, but in some cases the product works for 18 to 24 months at a time. This innovative model is a self-propelled tracked lift truck, model JF545. It seems to be from the realm of fantasy. Despite the power, strength of this crane, high weight compared to other representatives of the Gecko family, the presented mini crane passes to any hard-to-reach places to which large-size equipment cannot get access. The crane stabilization system automatically calculates one of 4 stability levels. Level 1 is the minimum, and Level 4 is the maximum, allowing the operator to control the process comfortably and safely. And what's more, the JF545 is the company's only mini crane with a lifting capacity of 15.5 tons. At the same time, it is distinguished by high maneuverability in small dimensions. You are looking at a one-of-a-kind machine that will be an indispensable addition to any fleet. The Extreme Soil King 2020 spreader is safe, versatile, and durable. This machine is unrivaled in the field of stone spreading, so all work with it will be much safer and more efficient than with any other machine on the market. The machine has a 30 cubic yard capacity when hauling lighter materials. With its unique body design and multifunctional material beam, one operator can accurately handle and control the placement of topsoil, stone, sand, and other materials through wireless communication. Now we will talk about the JCB Demo Dump Truck. Their new HTD5 model with an operating weight of 590 kilograms, 5.9 horsepower, and Kohler diesel engine with electric starter is a real find. Smart Step offers maximum operator comfort while ensuring safety. To accomplish this, the system cuts power when the operator steps off the machine, which prevents any movement. Meanwhile, the chute hydraulics continue to receive power. The step can also be folded in walking mode. To activate all hydraulics, the operator must walk behind the tipper. Smart Step has a load capacity of 120 kilograms. Well, thanks to the new features, the new tipper doesn't compromise on productivity. Construction and transportation companies are starting to present their vision of roads of the future, one by one. Some of them propose to use special solar panels with a high-strength protective coating instead of asphalt. By the way, it will be able to withstand even an 18-ton truck. That is, such panels will be durable and quite capable of replacing asphalt. And also, the roads of the future will be able to not only illuminate themselves, but also to give a significant part of electricity to the energy system. In the future, wireless charging of electric cars is even possible. According to some calculations, such a road surface with an area of 28,000 meters squared will provide about 280 kilowatt hours of electricity, and these are excellent figures. I think it's clear to everyone that chopping firewood is not just chopping and chopping. With the right machine, sharp cutting tools, and daily optimal technique settings, it is still possible to produce wood chips. But how do you make it better than all the others? With the Force Profi machine, of course. It is with this machine that the perfect wood chips are produced for a wide variety of uses, like wood gasification, fuel, fall protection, playpen coverings, pavings, etc. The wood chips produced by Force Profi are also good because they have excellent characteristics and are easy to cut, not break and shatter. Hadrian X is a robot that can build brick structures. The system consists of a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck. A separate frame houses the electrical equipment, and the van houses the control systems. Before starting work, the robot reviews blueprints of the house and then creates a 3D model and plans its construction. The machine itself determines which bricks need to be cut and where those scraps can be reused, reducing waste. Glue is then applied to the bricks and put in place by a robot arm, guided by a laser. Hadrian X can lay bricks for a medium-sized country house in 2 days. The NOAQ Boxwall BW52 is an independent and self-anchoring mobile flood protection barrier that can hold back water up to 50 centimeters high. And for completeness, the barrier blocks waves up to 1 meter high. Its lightweight means it can be quickly set up to protect buildings and other objects from water, as well as clearing roads. The barrier is designed for use on fairly flat surfaces such as paved roads, lawns, and tight sidewalks. Each individual box consists of blocking, anchoring, and sealing parts. The barrier is built by connecting each box with the previous one, forming a kind of chain. It is better to move from left to right when installing. This TMR Jailer mixed truck is the largest TMR mixer offered by the manufacturer. In this configuration, it has a capacity of 1,190 feet, 33.7 meters cubed, which is quite impressive. The ration includes conditioned barley, dried distillate grain, additives, Fry's byproduct from a local processing plant, and corn silage. With a rugged walking tandem with dual tires and optional brakes, hydraulic or pneumatic, this commercial mixer can handle the rigors of heavy rations on feedlots. And here is the Svyodovid excavator with a telescopic boom on a man chassis, which successfully passed all tests and was certified according to all standards. The development is an excavator with a universal chassis, which together are ideal for work in almost any conditions. These are difficult road conditions requiring constant maneuvering in harsh climate and long distances. It is due to its versatility that MAN is so popular, and that is why its use with an excavator superstructure seems to be the most effective. By the way, MAN chassis are actively used in construction, oil and gas production, and transportation structures due to their reliability and versatility. The problem of waste has a global scale and requires new approaches to its solution. One of them may well be the reuse of waste in various spheres, including road construction. Plastic roads are created from recycled materials, household waste, disposable dishes, bottle caps, straws, plastic furniture, and so on. It is also a great solution in favor of reducing the use of asphalt, which saves natural resources. Another plus is that greenhouse gas emissions are 30 tons less when making roads from plastic because 10% of bitumen is replaced with recycled plastic. All in all, profitable and very practical. Multi-mobile from Probst is simply ideal for economical and precise paving of slabs. The technique is suitable for concrete slabs, natural stones, slabs with exposed aggregates, large pavers, and ecological pavers. The machine allows effortless paving, as the lifting and lowering is carried out by a vacuum hose hoist. Another advantage is the precise positioning of the slabs through a smooth-moving, slewing crane with a very low load capacity. By the way, slabs that have already been laid can easily be lifted again. Multi-mobile can easily lay up to 300 square meters of tiles per day. Meet the super powerful and productive hydraulically powered concrete mixer. It's a low-cost attachment that allows you to mix, transport, and pour concrete faster than a standalone mixer. The SD series is naturally built on a new platform that delivers the well-known multi-one strengths, versatility, and productivity. A wide range of original equipment attachments make these new multi-one mini loaders indispensable machines for applications such as agriculture, where many types of tools are required. Agri recently presented the new TP470 Vario, a power split infinitely variable drive machine. The vehicle is equipped with a VM turbo engine with an output of 136 horsepower. The new technique is developed based on the flagship model VT450, but was completely structurally rebuilt. The brand management assures that with a total weight of 10 tons depending on the wheelbase, the new van not only has about 20% more power, but also 5% more payload than the previous top model. In addition, the vehicle has an entirely new front-end design and is now ready for the widest range of agricultural work at any time of year.